Mantis 7944 cycle gas-powered cultivator, red. Comes with a handy carrying handle. Entire unit weighs only 24 pounds. Handlebars fold down for easy storage. 2-year limited warranty. Come with standard kickstand. Powerful Honda 4-cycle, gas only, no fuel mix required. 25cc engine spins the tines twice as fast as other tillers. Weighs just 24 pounds. Tine speed up to 240 RPM. Finger-controlled throttle for infinite speed control and ease of operation. The compact 9-inch width allows the tiller to get into tight spaces around your yard that larger tillers cannot get to. The unique, curvy tines can be used to till down 10 inches deep. Or, simply turn the tines around to shallow cultivate the top 2 to 3 inches of soil. Includes handy kickstand for steady placement when not in use and for easy fueling. Folds for easy transport and storage. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.